Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a short video on YouTube. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload a short video to YouTube Studio. So first of all, make sure that you have already installed this YouTube Studio application. I'm going to open it, and here you'll be able to upload your short, your video, or your post, or it's up to you. And you can see the analytics as well on this application, the YouTube Studio application. Yeah, this is for the content, and this is the dashboard. And then if you want to upload YouTube short, you can click on this plus icon, and then you can upload your video. Yeah, as simple as that. And for me, I'm just going to pick a random video from my gallery. For example, this one. Okay. And before you upload your short, you can caption your short. For example, I'm going to caption it beautiful forest. Okay, and you can set the visibility. You can choose public, unlisted, or private, or you can also schedule your uploading. If you want to schedule it, just go to the schedule, and then you can choose the date right here. Okay, I'm gonna go back, and here you can also add location to your short, and I recommend you to add hashtag so people can easily find your video. And then you can choose the audience, and I'm going to choose, yes, it's made for kids. Okay, and I think already done. Okay, and once you're ready to upload it, just click on upload short like this, and then just wait. Okay, now the video is being uploaded, but I can't see it. But don't worry, now the video is being uploaded. Okay guys, and that's all the way to upload YouTube short on YouTube Studio. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. And see you in the next video guys. I hope this will be helpful for you.